Hey fam, quick update on the market starting from Bitcoin. Yesterday on stream we talked about this bear flag printing on BTC, and we talked about a potential scenario where Bitcoin could break down from this bear flag, and that is exactly what happened. We got a decline towards the 100k area last night. This dip got bought up pretty nicely, but now Bitcoin is facing some resistance at around the 104k area. Flip above this area and I think we can easily target 105, 106k and potentially 108k. But as long as this is a resistance area and not flipped into support, I'm a bit more skeptical about new long positions, but that is fine because last night we did buy this dip, so we should be sitting in comfortable positions. Regarding some key indexes, especially USDT dominance has helped us a lot to navigate the market in the last few days. A few days ago we had a bullish divergence on the daily time frame, which informed us about a potential correction coming in. That is what happened last night. We got our level at 4.955%, which was a buy area that we had identified weeks ago. This is exactly where the index rejected from, and this is exactly where we opened new spot, respectively long positions. Now USDT dominance is facing the first support area after last night's rejection, so I'm not necessarily a fan of new long positions here. Lose this area and I think these lows here or these lows here respectively can be targeted, but as long as this is serving as support, I'm less inclined towards new long positions. If we get another retest of this zone here and the index prints a 4-hour or an 8-hour bearish divergence, then we add more to our existing bags. Regarding mid caps, it's a bit more complex because they have been showing some weakness. The others index is still in a downtrend, printing lower highs and lower lows. It did reach a big support area at around 230, 225 billion last night, but is now facing a strong resistance area at 240 billion, which can serve as another lower high, so I wouldn't necessarily be pushing on mid caps under this zone. What we need to see here in the next few days and weeks is a change of structure, and that would be initiated if the index manages to flip this 250 respectively 260 billion area. If that is the case, then we have nice entries to hold at least towards these highs here at 295 respectively 300 billion. Regarding stock markets, they have been doing pretty good in the last few weeks, which is also the main reason why the crypto market has been more or less up only. Remember, we have bought the April dip and since then we have been riding most of our stock positions. Regarding new positions, I'm a bit skeptical now because the S&P 500 is trying to print the bearish divergence at a resistance area and it is approaching the previous all-time high area. So usually I like to wait and see how the price action develops. If this area is reclaimed and the S&P 500 prints a new all-time high, then we can always wait for a retest and buy here with a very easy invalidation. So this is what I'm currently looking at. I hope my updates have been helpful to you guys. You know that I've been very skeptical about new swing positions in the last few weeks. I hope now it makes sense because we actually got the levels that we have been discussing in the past few days and weeks, and hopefully we get some nice swing entries. So have a nice weekend, stay safe trading, and take care everyone.